So now that I've been driving this Gladiator for a few days, there are a couple things that I really wanted to see if I could improve. One, phone location when you're driving. There is a nice little phone slot down by the cup holders, but I'd love to have it up on the dash. That's one thing. Number two, my wife was in here and she didn't have any place to put her phone because obviously I fill up the cup holder and all that. So I wanted to see if I could maybe solve that as well. Bought two little gimmicky things on Amazon. I'm not sure if they're going to work or not, but we're going to go ahead and install them and see how they are, how functional they are, how durable looking, feeling they are, whether or not they actually serve the purpose, and whether they're worth the money. So here we go. So here's what we're looking at. You can find the links to these two products in the description. But basically this guy here is just a piece of plastic insert that goes into the handle on the passenger side. I'll show you that. Drops in and then you can put your phone and wallet or whatever you want up in there. This goes up top. So this is going to be just below like the rear view mirror up on the dash. And I'm hoping this is a game changer. Essentially this kit comes with the tray, comes with this extender for the ball joint, and then the phone holder. And in the ad, or actually, you know, in the Amazon ad, it actually shows the phone holder like this, which I don't think is the right way. So we're going to test it both ways. I feel like you'd want to put it this way so that the phone can rest on there. So going to go ahead and install this stuff. We'll see how hard it is to install, and we'll see if it's actually worth it. Okay, so essentially this is going to go up top, and to install it, it looks like, there's no instructions that came in the box, but it looks like we need to pull this guy up. There's a screw there, a screw there. So when looking at this, it looks like those screws go there and there. I'll go ahead and I'll get started and update you once it's done. Okay, so I went ahead and took the screws out, and I was about to pop this in and noticed that these were loose. So I do need to tighten those, but I think basically you have three options. You can have a ball here, and a ball there. Obviously it comes with two balls, so I think what I want to do is put the one ball here in the center for maybe a camera, and then this one for my phone. Okay, we got that installed. Very straightforward. Seems pretty solid. Now for the mount. Okay, so that's it. Obviously just have the phone mount here, and I think I have it about where I want. It's pretty sturdy. We're going to take a quick drive here to see if it makes any noise, because obviously rattling and stuff like that's going to drive me nuts, and it will make this thing not worth it. So that'll be the true test. As it goes, or as it pertains to the other installation, it's going to be a really tough one. Guess that's it. So it doesn't seem to fit perfectly. As you can see, it has that little bit of a, but I don't think that's going to affect it much. So I mean, if we want to throw our tools in there, we can do that. Overall, pretty easy installation. Let's throw some gum in there and a wallet. Cool. So let's take it for a drive, see if anything rattles. Anything's kind of annoying. So I would imagine just kind of pull that apart. That's it. Pretty straightforward. Alright, we are driving. Gonna test and see if either of these make any noise. I'm gonna purposely hit these bumps here. Nothing. Very good. So yeah, overall, I gotta tell you, so far, I mean, obviously, I need to probably use it for a couple months and see how durable it is, but nothing in the kit, either of these, makes me feel that either is anything but durable, at least for what it's worth. You know, each of these modifications were, I think, like 20 bucks and 15 bucks, something like that. So overall, being these are the first two mods of my Jeep, I'm pretty happy with them. The only thing that I think I'd like to do is maybe move it to the center, because it is pretty close to being in the way at all times. You know, when I'm sitting here driving like this, it's a bit much. So maybe if I pushed it over to the right, should be in better shape. But I mean, overall, I'm hitting bumps. It's not rattling. It's not doing anything weird. Feeling pretty good about it. Okay, so I'd say overall I am very pleased with both of these, considering they were very inexpensive. Again, the link is below in the description. I think what I'm going to do now is I'll get another ball mount, I'll put it there, and then I'll have the ultimate amount of flexibility as to where my phone goes, where maybe the GoPro goes. And then yeah, the wife's going to love that. She's going to love just being able to put a couple of things there, maybe her wallet or her phone at the very least. But yeah, overall, very happy with these two very inexpensive modifications. Definitely helped me in solving one of the first issues that I've experienced with this, and that is places to store your phone, wallet, and keys, or whatever else it is that you and your wife bring into the car. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, the product links are below, and please subscribe. I'm going to do more of this with other products for this Jeep Gladiator, and we're going to have some fun.